The B9788 is our new bag foot, and we have it in 3 sizes. We have it in a 12 millimeter, 18 millimeter, and 22. And we are stocking these 5 finishes: our black, nickel matte, shiny nickel, antique brass, and brass. We installed all of our bag feet to give you a representation, kind of the size and scale and shape. So as you can see, these are set with a riveted back. So it's clean. So when you set it on leather without a lining, looks nice. Here they are here. We have different setters, like most of our items. We have our simple post and base, and then we have our screw-in die setters that will work with our post and base or our hand press. So let's set one. I've got our 18 millimeter pre-punched hole. All right, so the 18 millimeter is here. The rivet will sit right in the base. This is perfectly made to fit our piece so that it does not have any flattening or doming. You can actually just click it in there so it'll rest on top. So 2 to 3 blows. You can hear it. There, nice clean set. Hand press. So I've already installed and aligned the setter, so it should come down perfectly. There you have it. Perfectly set B9788 bag foot.